Want to add a second Google account on your Android TV or Google TV? This is useful if you want to separate apps, YouTube profiles, or family access. In this guide, I will show you how to set it up. Let's get started. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon and select it. Now go to Accounts and Sign In. From the Select Add Account, then go to Sign In. Now enter your email address here using your TV remote. Be sure to keep the details exact. After you are done, move on to the next step. Now enter your password the same way. Once done, just confirm your choice and you will be logged in. If you have two-step verification enabled, you may get a code on your PC or phone Gmail app, so confirm the verification code on your TV that way. If you don't have a verification code, then you'll be logged in on the spot. And that's it, you've successfully added a second Google account on your Android TV/Google TV. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.